3. Weird reasons your car won't start, not battery. 1. Faulty key. Fob. Push start systems may not recognize a key that is dead or unprogrammed, which could render the vehicle unusable. 2. Clogged fuel filter. Your automobile may crank but never start if fuel cannot enter the engine because of a blocked filter. 3. Bad crankshaft. Sensor. The engine depends on the bad crankshaft sensor to inform it when to start. If it doesn't, it won't know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.